how to set up automatic investing in Robinhood app. Welcome, and this guide will walk you through how to set up automatic investing using the Robinhood app. Let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account before continuing. Next, tap the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of your screen. This appears the search feature when you can look for the asset you'd like to invest in. Now, type the name or symbol of the stock, ETF, or crypto you want to invest in. Once you find it, tap to open its detail page. Scroll down the asset page until you see the option labeled Invest Automatically. Tap it to start the setup process. Choose how often you want to invest. You can set your schedule to weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, whichever fits your investing goals. Enter the amount you'd like to invest each time. This will be the fixed amount Robinhood will invest on your behalf automatically. Double-check all your settings, frequency, amount, and asset. Once everything looks good, tap Confirm to finish setting it up. That's it. You've successfully set up automatic investing in Robinhood. Your investments will now be made on schedule without any extra work.